In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Trello to Excel. If you're looking for a simple way to extract your Trello board data and work with it in Microsoft Excel, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to create detailed reports, customize the layout of your tasks, or just analyze your project data more effectively. Exporting your Trello board to a CSV file and opening it in Excel is the easiest way to achieve this. And don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all your Trello data neatly organized and ready to work with in Excel. Let's get started. First, open the Trello board you want to export. Make sure you're logged into your Trello account and have the specific board you need open on your screen. This is the board where all the tasks and data you want to work with are stored. Next, look to the top right corner of your Trello board here. You'll see a button labeled Show Menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will expand the menu on the right side of your screen, giving you access to additional options for managing your board. Once the menu is open, select the option labeled More. This will bring up another set of menu options. You're getting closer now to the export feature. From the More menu, click on Print, Export, and Share. This is where you'll find the tools to export your board data. Now click on Export as CSV. Trello will begin generating a CSV file of your board's data. Depending on the size of your board, this might take a few seconds. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your device. Keep an eye on your Downloads folder or your browser's download bar to locate the file. Once the CSV file has downloaded, open it using Microsoft Excel. Simply double-click the file, and it should launch in Excel automatically. If it doesn't, you can also open Excel first, then use the Open option to locate and open the file. Now that the file is open in Excel, you'll see that your Trello data is organized into columns. These columns will include details like card names, the lists they belong to, labels, due dates, and descriptions. Take a moment to review the data and ensure everything looks as expected. If you plan to do more with the data, such as adding formulas, creating charts, or applying custom formatting, it's a good idea to save the file as an Excel workbook. To do this, click File in the top left corner of Excel, then choose Save As and select the Excel workbook format. This will give you more flexibility for editing the file. Before you start working with the data, you might notice that some columns don't display the information the way you want. For example, dates might not be formatted correctly, or certain fields may appear as plain text. You can adjust the column formats in Excel to fix this. Just select the column, right-click, and choose Format Cells to make the necessary changes. One important step before sharing the file: review the data carefully for any sensitive information. Trello cards often contain descriptions or comments that might not be suitable for sharing outside your team. Take a moment to go through the data and remove anything that shouldn't be included before you send the file to anyone else. Now, if you also need to export archived cards, those are the cards you've completed and archived but still want access to, this is how you can do it. In your browser, go to the URL of your Trello board. At the end of the URL, add the word CSV. So for example, if your Trello board URL is www.trello.com/b/yourboardid, you would type www.trello.com/b/yourboardid/CSV. Then press Enter. This will download a CSV file that includes both your active and archived cards. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Trello board data to Excel, and even included archived cards if needed. Now you can analyze, customize, and work with your data however you like. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.